Oh, looks like we are a little indifferent here. I mean, I like them both. I think they're both good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. Hey everybody, what's up? This is Crypto Cody, and I'm so excited to do another video for you guys. Guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about two cryptocurrencies, CRO and BNB, and which ones are the best ones to invest in. Are they both still very lucrative coins, and are they going to go up in price? In the meantime, if you guys could please like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification, that would mean the world to me. And let's dive right in, guys. So here we are talking about CRO and BNB, two absolutely amazing cryptocurrencies. And I want to let you guys know that I invest in both of these. I absolutely love them both. The use cases of both are just tremendous. And, just kind of taking a look at the market before we dive into it though. Guys, we are up $1.7 trillion. Can you guys believe that? $1.7 trillion.
That's a lot of money. Yeah.
Just since last night's video that I put out, we've even gone up, like 4 or 5 billion since last night in the past 24 hours. It's been absolutely tremendous. If you guys haven't seen my video beforehand about how we will see more money flowing into the market, check out the video before this one because I'd love to show you guys that. Why I believe we are going to be a multi-trillion-dollar market. So anyways, diving into this, we're going to be talking about Binance coin, which is currently number 3. It is down tremendously right now, which begs the question, should you buy in right now or not? Sitting at $272 currently to the USD value, down 16%. It had a tremendous run up. And then we're going to be talking about CRO, which is the Crypto.com coin. Ever since the migration of MCO, we've actually now been focusing 100%, or Crypto.com has been focusing 100% on the CRO token. And that is also actually been doing an incredible job. It has gone up quite a bit. It has been doing an incredible job. It has gone up quite a bit on the 7 days, 24 hours. It's like up 63% in the past 7 days, but is now up about 7, almost 8% on the 24 hours. So we're going to be chatting about these two cryptocurrencies. Are they still good to invest in? Which one's better than the other, if there is, if anything? So let's dive into that. BNB. So it's currently down 17% right now, as you guys can see, and seems to be continuing to plummet. Why? Well, guys, it had a tremendous parabolic jump. I mean, it's been an absolutely crazy jump. We saw all new highs just yesterday with this coin. Let's check this out just for a second. I believe it was, $342.88 on the average to the USD value. So we're down 19% from that initial high. Is this a good time to buy in? I mean, listen, I'm no financial advisor, so any decisions that you guys make financially, make sure that you do not blame me for it. But I personally think now is a great time to buy. At the same time, we could actually still continue to see it to go down. It is actually looking like it needs a tremendous correction is what it comes down to. That this coin has the ability to be easily $1,000. I know that's a crazy thing to predict, but let me explain why. Let's take a look at these basic numbers right here, okay? So the max supply of BNB is 170 million, okay? 170 million. That is not that much if you think about it, which explains why it's, in the hundreds right now, okay? Remember this, 170 million, okay? I want to show you guys something. Let's take a look at Ethereum, all right? Ethereum, okay, totally different use case, but let's take a look at what its max supply is, okay? 114 million. Let's take a look at this on the calculator. So 170 minus 114, you're looking at a difference of 56 million in total supply, okay? So 56 million in total supply difference, and Ethereum is rocking $2,000. All I'm saying is that, first of all, BNB is, it's got a ways to go to catch up to Ethereum. It's number 3, which is an absolutely unbelievable achievement to be number 3 on the coin market cap in all of cryptos. But there is no reason why, when new money comes in, people are going to be investing on Binance. They're going to be using Binance USA or just regular Binance as an exchange option for them to transfer coins. And when they do that, the best way to trade on Binance is when you're holding Binance coin, because there is the option of being able to have much cheaper fees, trading fees, because you're holding Binance. In addition to that, there's also the dust collection option where, you know, you sell on the Binance exchange and you have a small percentage of cryptocurrency that's left on that exchange. You can actually turn that into what they call BNB dust, okay? And so there's just going to be a tremendous amount of accumulation going on with BNB just from simply conversion to dust from other cryptocurrencies, just because why not? People want those little decimals that they can't send, convert it to BNB. So BNB is going to continue to go up. It's on the one of the largest exchanges in the world, or it represents one of the largest exchanges in the world. So there's absolutely no reason why it should stop now. The max supply is very close to Ethereum. I mean, we're off by like 50 plus million, but it does not change the fact that I think that there's no reason why BNB can't go to $1,000. And so that's, you know, I think that we're going to be in for a serious ride with it. It's got some crazy stuff that's been going on with it. You know, I do think that we're going to see a very good growth with BNB. And I think that as new cryptocurrency or as new people, new money comes in, people are going to be using Binance USA and they're going to be taking advantage of the options with that. So there's that. But let's take a look at one of these articles. There was an article that came out with cryptobriefing.com, and this was written by Chris Williams. Yesterday, he said BNB is now so we'll go over it. BNB is now the third biggest cryptocurrency by market cap. A week-long surge helped the currency overtake Tether, Polkadot, and Cardano, which is amazing. I mean, think about that. Cardano has gone parabolic. We are now above $1 with Cardano. Polkadot has just had so much strength behind it. And now BNB is beyond both of them, which is unbelievable. So they're doing, you know, so it's a big move for it to be going up this high. So Binance Coin has suddenly jumped into a third place cryptocurrency. The key factors of the price surge is the growth of Binance Smart Chain. Now, for those of you who don't know what Binance Smart Chain is, it's basically Binance's idea of the DeFi platforms. Okay, so much debate has surfaced in light of the Binance Smart Chain rising, particularly among Ethereans. So the key factor behind why Binance is just growing tremendously, definitely because, you know, people are using the platform and they're, you know, converting BNB, or they're converting other cryptocurrencies into BNB dust. But the key factor of the surge is definitely behind Binance Smart Chains. You guys got to take into consideration too, like, you know, the Binance Smart Chain is, the people are migrating to building projects on stuff like that because things like Ethereum is just, the gas fees are just incredibly expensive. People don't, you know, developers don't want to have to pay those fees. Same thing with Tron. I think Tron is an absolutely amazing platform to build for developers because there are no fees with that kind of stuff. Cardano's, you know, I even think we should talk about Neo. I think Neo has definitely still got some gas fees that are expensive, but what it comes down to is that one of the big elements to building on these platforms is how can I do it in a cost-effective way. And so Binance is offering that opportunity, and they're having, you know, an absolute amazing amount of growth. Currently is now holding just under 2.4% of the entire crypto market, which is crazy when you think about that compared to Bitcoin holding 60+%. But still, even holding 1% of the entire crypto market is pretty amazing. I mean, that's unbelievable, actually. And yeah, Binance Coin holds over 2%, almost 2.5% of it. So with that being said, I do think that Binance Coin is got a massive opportunity to run up to over $500 to $1,000 for sure. Again, not financial advice. I just think that there's a massive opportunity, and especially today, there's a massive opportunity for buying in. I think that it's potentially going to drop even below further tomorrow, because we have the Sundays dumps and the Mondays pumps. We talk about it all the time, but who knows? I mean, this has been a really interesting growth this week as far as what's going on. So that's my opinion on Binance. There's so much more that we could talk about Binance, but I want to dive into CRO with you guys. So for those of you who are interested in investing in Crypto.com's token CRO, I think that this is a tremendous opportunity. There's still a lot of potential for gains. And I will say this, I do think that CRO actually has more gains opportunity than BNB right now. From a multiple X perspective. And let me explain why. So first of all, Let's talk about BNB has actually already seen its all-time high. It made all new time highs yesterday. Okay, so we are treading new territory right now, and it's definitely, there's a lot to be said for that. But as far as CRO goes, CRO does not have nearly as many users as the Binance platform does. It is a relatively newer platform, but I think it is much more user-friendly. And I also think that they have more options for people to be investing in, and I think that they even have more financing options as far as staking options and whatnot like that. Like there's an amazing amount of staking options. They have a debit card, which gives you rewards, cashback rewards. And for all of you rich folks out there, there's some serious rewards that you can get with those cards. I want to actually remind you guys that I will leave a link in the description. If you guys have not started a crypto.com account, I actually click on my link below and we both get $25 if you click on that link and invest in crypto on crypto.com. It is probably my favorite exchange, even compared to Binance, Bittrex, Kraken, all those different things. There's great exchanges, but crypto.com I personally like more, definitely even more than Coinbase. I think all of these exchanges are here to stay, but I do think that there's something to be said for all of the options that it offers for staking. Being able to actually take cryptocurrency and transfer it to fiat currency on a debit card, it makes people feel like they're actually buying cryptocurrency, or they're actually buying stuff with cryptocurrency. So you can actually go off with your crypto.com plastic card and buy stuff with it and then get rewarded in CRO tokens for those purchases. That is a massive, massive option. That's what's going to give us mass adoption in the cryptocurrency world. So anyways, let's talk about this. So the max supply of CRO right now, we have 100 billion CRO out there. Now, just to kind of give you guys an idea as to why I think that CRO can take off above and beyond $1, is because you take Cardano, for instance, or not even Cardano, you take Ripple, for instance. Ripple has seen above $3, okay? If we remember that correctly, Ripple had seen above $3. They have 100 billion in total supply, as well as same thing with Tron. Tron has 100 and they had seen over 30 cents. So we currently right now are only seeing 14 cents on CRO. I say only, but there is no reason why we can't see this thing go above $1. And I actually think that CRO, because of the strength behind its purpose and what it's doing, just like BNB, I think that you can actually see, I don't know about this year, but I do think that it's very possible that you could see even a $5 CRO, just because the staking options, people are putting CRO into staking for, 3 months at a time. Oh, excuse me, guys. My daughter has to go potty. I'll be right back. All right, back, guys. Sorry. My daughter had to use the potty. And being a dad, you just cannot ignore that. So anyways, back to the video here. So I truly believe that we are going to see a future CRO that'll go above and beyond $1. I would not be surprised if we saw it go up to $1 this year and beyond. And it's simply just because it's doing the same kind of thing in its own way with crypto.com that BNB is doing with Binance. It is just creating a opportunity for people to be able to consolidate all of their leftover cryptocurrency and making that into CRO dust. The staking options are unbelievable. The platforms for Binance, the platforms that Binance Smart is doing is just unbelievable. But I actually am personally way more bullish on the CRO investment if I were to choose between the two. I do think that Binance Coin is going to do a phenomenal job, but I think that there is a potentially larger return on your investment with CRO than there is on BNB. Now, currently right now, I think that CRO, if I was to put money into something currently right now at this moment for a swing trading option, I do think that BNB is a good option, but I'm personally not putting money into it until after Sunday. I want to see how far this thing falls down, and just see, I'll start to buy it as it starts to go back up once again. But guys, just look at this chart right here with CRO. It's unbelievable. I mean, if that doesn't look super bullish to you, I don't know what does. I mean, that is tremendous. As far as that looks like a good healthy bull chart right there, that massive W. It's just, so I think long term this is going to be a great option for people to be investing in. And again, it's going to take some time. Yeah, its current market cap right now is only $3 billion, which is so tiny compared to BNB. I mean, you can't even compare the two when it comes to the investments. But think about this, though. If CRO or if Crypto.com continues to go strong, if you've got a total market cap that's only $3 billion right now, and you have BNB, which is currently holding at a whopping, $40 billion, I mean, there's so much room for this to grow. I really do think there's so much room for it to grow. I mean, let's just say 40 divided by 3. Say that CRO goes to the same market cap that BNB goes to. So that is about a 13x. If you're doing like 40 billion invested into to BNB versus the current market cap of Crypto.com or CRO, which is only like roughly like 3.5 billion. So you're looking, it's basically a 10x if CRO were to go to the market cap that BNB has right now. So a 10x is putting us at above a dollar. So that, just to kind of put it into perspective in that regard, I mean, obviously you're talking about, having to raise the market cap in CRO of 40 billion, but we've already proven that is very possible since it's been a month and we've already seen $700 billion go into the market in general with cryptocurrency, which is insane. And obviously that 700 billion is going to be, majority of it is going to be invested into the top 100 than it will be anything below that. And we already know that. Now, I actually think even, it's even safer to say that the majority of that's going to be invested in the top 50 cryptocurrencies, which CRO, it ranks 28. So think about that. You got $40 billion to $40 billion that needs to put CRO above a dollar, which I think is very possible, especially with the use case of CRO. But that's a 10x opportunity. If BNB coin goes to $1,000, that's amazing, but it's not a 10x opportunity. It's really, it's like a 4x at the most. So, so I do think that CRO is going to go, a 10x opportunity. I don't know when. I can't tell you when. I don't have a crystal ball, but I do think that it is a greater investment than BNB in the long run. So that's just my personal thoughts and analysis on CRO and what it's capable or able to potentially do, go above a dollar, possibly above and beyond a dollar. If we saw that go to a $5, then we're looking at a tremendous 50x, which is, or pretty less, or a little less than that, but that's huge. How many of you would like a 50x return? How many of you guys would like even just a 10x return? I mean, I think Grant Cardone would appreciate that. For those of you, Grant Cardone. Yeah, here I am talking about these big gurus. So anyways, personally, CRO, I'm more excited about that than I am BNB, but I am bullish on both. And I think a quick investment right now, BNB, I'm gonna wait to put some money into BNB until after Sunday. CRO, I'm buying up right now because I think long term that we are so undervalued with CRO. That's just my personal opinion. I would encourage you guys to check out both use cases, do some more research on that. And so, oh, hi there. Ugh. Guys, this is my daughter. Say hi, babe. Her name is Everly, and she likes Bitcoin. Do you like Bitcoin?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do.
It's very high as a bullet.
Yeah, exactly. Can you say, which one do you like better? Do you like CRO or do you like BNB?
BNB.
Oh, looks like we are a little indifferent here. I mean, I like them both. I think they're both good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. Totally. Yeah, so. But anyways, we're going to say bye now, okay?
Bye.
Bye. See you guys later. Hope you guys make some awesome money. Thanks for hanging out with us. And remember, I'm no financial advisor. My daughter is not a financial advisor, correct?
Yeah.
Right. We wish that you guys have all the success in the world that you would like to have. And yeah, make sure that you guys study up on what you guys are doing. And we will chat with you guys soon. Crypto Cody and Crypto Baby out.